Shift gears then and find out which stocks our chartists are penciling out for the day. We've got Kunal Bothra rejoining us. And Kunal, it's an auto stock. Which one's making it to the Chartbuster?
Well, Amang, good morning. So it's on Escorts. We've been discussing auto stocks, one by one, the likes of Tata Motors, etc. But I think Escorts is also an interesting chart shaping up. Now there is a sense of a coherent pattern, which means that the stock has a tendency of repeating a similar pattern across time for itself. So one of the major patterns which is in line for Escorts is the breakout of the previous major highs. We've seen that happening for the stock consistently over the last many years. And what is interesting is that whenever the stock comes closer to a breakout of the previous highs or the previous breakout points, like whatever flagged off for breakout one, breakout two, the stock has a tendency of getting into a very strong uptrend. And the breakout point actually becomes, from changes its stance from being a major resistance to actually being a support for the stock price. And I believe the stock is now nearing a similar kind of a potential breakout towards the major, previous resistances. I believe if that happens, this could open up significant upside for Escorts over the near to medium term. So traders should look at this kind of important pattern shaping up for Escorts. And I believe it's on the verge of a big breakout, provided the previous resistance gets taken out.
Okay, so Escorts is the chartbuster idea, but what are the other stocks on your radar, Kunal?
So I'll go with Canara Bank as the first stock, selecting a buy for a potential target closer to 350. Stop loss could be kept at 315 mark. And the second one would be a buy on Indiamart. Now, this would be a slight high risk trade. Anticipating some sort of an inverted head and shoulder pattern for Indiamart on the short term chart. So, would suggest a buy. Targets of 2,900, stop loss at 2,700.
Okay, so that's the take coming in. But Kunal,